Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Ka kinhon yele kai jong ka West Khasi Hills District Cricket Association kalayo ban Korea ka nam lado ha ka lumpung yele kai balatip kum ka Under 19 Girls Inter District Cricket Tournament ya ka bala penyai da ka Meghalaya Cricket Association. Kani ka nam job jong ka West Khasi Hills District Cricket Association kalawan hadin bakalala ban penlim no ya ka kinhon yele kai na Tura District Cricket Association da arfu praron Hakajingin kun final kabalalong mentakasngi ka santrik ubnaya yong arhajar arpuway hagabadan yele kai jong kasnong mau kadiang. Ya kani galumpung lawan man penha perdano da UMLA jong ka Nongston constituency uba Macmillan Bersat ubalalong kumukongsan harengkat kajingidon lang jong kinongelam bat kidkot jong ka MCA kentubru ya kinongelam jong ka West Khasi Hills District Cricket Association kibala samru ya ki kusnam.
I think the government of our state should take special interest for promoting cricket association, cricket game in our state. When I came to know from the official of the cricket association of the district, they don't have even a suitable ground for the cricket association of the district. After this tournament, I will sit with them, I'll discuss with them, we'll find out a suitable ground for the cricket opportunity for cricket in our district. In fact, last year I discussed with the Chief Minister to allot some scheme for the Northeastern Council regarding for promotion of the football ground in my constituency. I have selected around 13 ground within my constituency for the equipment and construction of sitting gallery of different playground within my constituency. After this tournament, I will sit and discuss with the official of the district cricket association. We'll have to find out a suitable ground for the purpose of the cricket only. Because just now I discussed with them, they are trying to hire one ground in Malaysia, but hiring is not possible. It's not possible. Because in the day to come, when they saw that the cricket association is coming up, the landowner, they might take advantage of that. My considerative, I think the district cricket association, we should find out. I will help them how to find out the place. Because at the same time, I know I was in the scheme office as one of the ministry in the scheme of Nongston office. I know which place land is available. Therefore, I will not take too much of my time. I give my special thanks to our friends from Gar Hills because you have lost the game, but in a fight, sometimes we lose and sometimes we win. That is, we cannot avoid that. Big congratulations for the teams of West Khasi District. I extend my best wishes in the day to come that one among them and one among of you one day will represent in the state or in the entire India. I will give my conclusion. Thanks to all the officials of the cricket association in the state, the cricket association of the district, and all the supporters who supported and promoted the cricket association in our district. Thank you very much.
Bye.